Just wants to get a reaction out of anybody.
Oh,
That was
it's
his,
a
and that's what's
I took
happening.
the SAT.
How was that?
Or, I mean, I took the PSAT.
How was that?
Pretty easy.
Pretty easy?
I mean, it didn't have any geometry on it, so I was
Um,
clear.
Oh, you don't like geometry?
I hate geometry.
Okay.
I'd rather die than do more geometry. Speaking of which, I don't want to do this.
Speaking of which, sir,
Oh, Angela, I took the PSAT.
What'd you do?
I don't know. I just took it yesterday.
I'll have to let me know.
Yeah, they said like the fall of next year.
Yeah, your mom and I already started talking about that. Well, and I talked to you
Oh, that's
about it
great.
as well. Well, you gotta be prepared without it like driving you nuts, right?
But it was like super easy. Like, it didn't have any geometry in it, so.
how'd you break this down? Is that what you're
I
supposed to
just
do?
wrote it down. What?
Were you supposed to break it down like you did?
No, not at all. That was completely wrong, but I just had to. I had to do something.
Alright, let's move on to something that's not number one.
I'm at number 3,
Okay?
unless I got it right.
Nope. How'd you do number two?
I
You got that one right.
I got number 2 because that one was easy because it was so it was cubed, right? And you can't have a squared that's negative because a negative would be a positive.
Right.
But it's if you get -2 and -2 multiplied together, then that's positive 4. But then if you multiply that again by -2, it's positive 8. I mean -8. You understand?
Yes.
Yeah.
So 2 times 2 times 2, right?
Yes.
Okay, then yeah.
But they're negative.
Right. Well, at least one's negative. It's good
Well,
to
no.
know.
Well, all of them are negative.
So you get a positive until the end, right?
Well, I mean, they have to be. All of them have to be negative because it has to be the same number.
Yes, but then how does it turn into a negative at the end if they're all negative?
Because a negative times a negative is positive. But
Right.
then you have the positive and then you have another negative,
Yes, that's what I'm asking.
which makes the 8 a negative.
Right.
Yes.
That was my question.
Yes.
I'm glad we went in a circle. Great job.
Yeah, I just answered
Okay.
it for you.
20 over the square root of 200. Okay. First thing I would do, what do you think the first thing is to do?
I don't know about you. You said the first thing.
Right,
did.
and I stopped myself. So what would you do, Andre?
Multiply the squared 200 by squared 200.
Okay. Is that what you're supposed to do?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I think
So if you do that and you multiply top and bottom by this,
yes, that's exactly what we're supposed to do.
right? What happens then? Where do you go from here?
So then you get rid of this.
Okay, do it. Solve it.
Just look at that.
Nope. You got it. Just try it. Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
Okay, if you add all the women,
Yes.
it's more than 40. So, 40?
Yeah. Like 8 plus 2.
Yeah, because this one by itself is
About how many more cats and dogs were brought into the office by, so just cats and dogs?
Oh,
Yeah. But isn't that still